Hi everyone, this is Brent of AutoIndustriya.com and we're here at the Suntec Exhibition Center for the 2020 Singapore Motor Show, where Subaru is launching the Forester GT Edition, the hybrid Forester e-Boxer, and the updated Impreza sedan with EyeSight. Let's go inside to check them out.
Good morning everyone and welcome to the Singapore Motor Show. 2020 is going to be an exciting year for Motor Image and Subaru. And it starts right now with the cars we're introducing. The Forester e-Boxer will officially go on sale in Singapore today. This is Subaru's all-new mild hybrid SUV that offers a smoother drive. Let me introduce the Forester Ultimate Customized Kit Special Edition. It is out of the box. We had a lot of fun customizing it because it reflects our unconventional spirit and the motorsport heritage of the brand.